победой. Недавно в интернете появилось видео, где ты находишь свой пояс, достаешь его из-под завалов. Мог бы ты немного прокомментировать, рассказать про эту ситуацию?
Congratulations on the victory. Welcome to the UFC. A few weeks ago, there was a video that went viral on YouTube where you are getting your belt from the underground somewhere. Can you talk about that video? Can you tell us what it was about?
Was in the beginning war. This belt was in my mom, and my mom she was very close to the front line, and she go to outside from my city, but сховала як?
Hid.
She had my belt, and but I not think about my belt. I just try helping my country, and when this is the territory was like more safety, I go and get my belt. I call my mother and I ask where she had my belt, and just get him. But was bad territory because many soldier was very close to this belt.